Hey guys, we're gonna go check out PMD's beautiful office. Come on. Welcome. Okay, when you first come in, we have our beautiful lineup of products here. This is everything that PMD sells currently, and we love to display it and show it off. This is where the magic happens. This is all of our planning, product development, all of our meetings. The decisions are made right here. Say hi to the team. This is our CEO Sam's office. He loves to write on the whiteboard, and this is where he gets a lot of work done. Over here is where we take all of our breaks. We also like to have team meetings here, and then I'll show you over here. We gotta have a big KISS spaceship in the office. Wouldn't be complete without it. This is our customer service area. Take care of the people right there. Let's go upstairs. All right, this is another office meeting space that we like to get together. We brainstorm, we have big meetings about all things PMD, and of course another space to hang out and relax. So that's it. Thanks for watching.